So what I have here is a Brady branded lockout lock manufactured by Abus with the plastic outer shell. 5-pin lock with 4 spools and 1 standard pin. Bit of top of the keyway tension in here. It fits just perfectly in that top key cut, if I can get it in while the video's on. It's normally not a problem. There you go. A little bit of slop in the core there, but it's alright. It's hung up somewhere, potentially on that one. Bit of counter rotation coming through. There it goes, and we've got an open on that one. We'll pop that out, grab a screwdriver. Put the key. Try and get that out without the key in there. Go. It's the core. Lock that back up. The key works. Alrighty. For not having a proper sized follower, use this nice 9.5mm drill bit as a makeshift follower, maybe slightly bigger. Definitely on the 9.5. Push that through there. And now we'll grab our makeshift pinning tray here and drop all of these pins out. Where are we? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I said 5 pins earlier, but there is a 6th one in there. Just drop that out. So all the key pins there. Go over to the core. Number 1, number 2 is a spool, standard there on number 1. Spool on 3. Spool on number 4. There it is, spool on number 5. And a spool on number 6. And they're all the springs are the same in here. I just grabbed one of those out. There's number 1 spring there, all the same. So that's the Brady Lockout Lock by Abus.